In this video, we are going to explain standby letter of credit, a backup plan for payment. To find a right solution for your day-to-day trade finance requirements, subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. What is standby letter of credit? Standby L.L.C. is a guarantee issued by a bank on behalf of its client and in favor of their beneficiary to make the payment if the client fails to pay or fails to perform. Standby letter of credit also serves as a backup plan for payment and also used as payment of last resort. Who are the parties involved in standby letter of credit? The applicant, the buyer who applies for SBLC MT760. The issuing bank. The bank which issues the required SBLC on buyer's behalf. The beneficiary, to whose favor the instrument is issued. Advising bank, the bank which represents the beneficiary. How to get standby L.C. on your company's behalf. If you are having your own bank facilities available, have enough cash funds to block as cash margin, then you can contact your bank to get the SBLC issued. On the other hand, if you face lack of bank facilities or cash funds to open SBLC from your bank, you can submit your requirements to us. We lend our own bank facilities available in European banks and provide you the required standby letter of credit. To open SBLC MT760, contact us today. Bronze Wing Trading LLC, email us. Support at bwtradefinance.com, call us 97145519699, call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761, visit www.bwtradefinance.com.